I am about to land sa Cape. Galing ako Dubai. Stop over for it's a long haul, it's a long flight. I think it has something to do with the law and order noon. At sinasabi ko naman sa mga pulis, military na trabaho kayo at ako ang managot. So ito na nga, for all of the whatever happened in the past, ako na yung nag-fraud sa ating law enforcement at military. Sinabi ko na I will protect you and ako ang managot sila. It will be a long legal proceedings. Let me say to you,